How to create business portfolio on Meta Business site. So hello there and welcome back to another video. So to create Meta portfolio on your business site, you just have to search for Facebook business.com. You just have to search it up and then you have to tap onto this icon. So as you can see, mine is already open over here, so you can just tap on to get started. Then you can create posts for it, you can create ad, you can create fill and etc. And at the more options, you can go live, you can post video and many things. So here we can see some options over here at the left side icon, but we have to tap onto this one at the top. And from there, here we can see this create a business portfolio. Simply tap onto this option. Then you have to enter your business name. You have to enter your first name, surname. Then you have to enter your business email, and then you have to create it. So this is as simple as that. Now after entering all the informations perfectly, you just have to tap on to create and then you are good to go, and you will be able to create your business portfolio. So that was pretty much it, and if this video is helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel, and see you on to another video, and keep watching our videos. Goodbye.